Hello YouTube modelists, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all my viewers and subscribers. So I've decided to go ahead with my NASCAR build. I changed donor kits. Instead of using the Dale Earnhardt number 3, I'm going to be using Darrell Waltrip number 17, Western Auto, AC Delco. It's still a Chevy Lumina. And the goal is still the Days of Thunder City Chevrolet. This kit of course has all the accessories. And it is a 91 kit. Here are the decals that came originally with the kit. And then of course these are the ones I'll be using. Power slides from Mike's Decals. Here are the glass. Bag them separately to prevent them from scratching. The front has, or is it the rear? It's got the black reinforcement, so I'll have to highlight that with a Sharpie. I'm going to fly through the unboxing because it's the same kit as a Mellow Yellow, and all of you are very familiar with the Lumina kits. Hendrix Racing on the valve cover. To study the photo whether these tires will be black or chrome. Probably black. The jelly roll, the highlighted Goodyears, the accessories and drivers, the Lumina kit. I'll unbox it. I'm going to fly through the unboxing because you guys are very familiar with these kits. Typical engine first. I will not be using this guide because I'm going to be using the City Chevrolet. So that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm back. Unback the kit. The Lumina body. Looks very nice. Parts of the roll cage. So you guys pretty much get it. I like the Lumina that's written in the front. It's actually indented, so when you put the decals in, it really seats nicely. Yep. The chrome pieces, wheels. Hendrix Racing. Raised white lettering. And of course the glass. Just use a Sharpie to paint over those reinforcements. And that's pretty much it. So, again, I'm going to fly through this because you guys already seen this when I did the Mellow Yellow. It's basically the same kit. It's a Lumina. This is my announcement for the over 1K sub kit giveaway. So just want to thank everyone for supporting my channel so far. I've hit over 1,000 subs, which is monumental to me because I never would have guessed people would want to watch my videos, or that many people would want to watch my videos. So in appreciation, I will be having a giveaway. This is something I've wanted to do for a while, but just usually year end, you know, I have like a lot of stuff to do. So now that I have time, again, the rules are going to be the same as always. Only current subscribers are eligible for this. So if you subscribe now, you'll be eligible for the next drawing. But this is an appreciation for the past subscribers. So you have to currently be a subscriber, and you will have a choice of either Kit A, which is this 56 Thunderbird by Monogram. It is a 124 scale. I actually have the AMT 125 scale, but I think I'm going to have to hold on to the AMT version because the box art is American Graffiti, and I just love that movie. So don't know which is the better model. I mean, this obviously is bigger because it's 124 scale. I'm thinking maybe this Monogram model, just by name because it's a Monogram, might be better than the AMT. I don't know. I never built either of these, but I think I'm going to have to hold on to the AMT because it does have the American Graffiti box art. So this kit, I believe, has been repopped by Revell recently. On the box, it's a pink Thunderbird, and it's pulling out of a neon sign that says Motel 6 or something. Very 1950-ish box art. So I think this kit actually has been repopped as a pink car on the box art. But anyway, this is a 1982 copyright, but it's a convertible, so if you detail the interior well, it will stick out. Looks like it has generous amount of chrome. Looks like that window frame is probably chrome. That looks like chrome. Either that or the person who built this model did a good job of chroming it. That looks like it's chrome. So it looks like your chrome tree is probably pretty extensive. But anyway, this is the box, in case you're interested. Looks like a good kit. So this is Kit A. Kit B, and I've decided to do something a little bit different this time. Kit B will be a mystery kit. So what that means is, if you win Kit B, you will be sent the kit, and you will be hopefully surprised when you receive it. So the kit will be either better or could be worse than what you thought the gift or want the gift to be. So Kit A is 56 Thunderbird, or Kit B is mystery kit, which could be better or worse than what you thought it could be. Now, if you win the mystery kit, which is Kit B, you get to choose either a 124 scale four-wheeled vehicle or a single piston engine Warbird. And there's even a further twist to it. I actually have doubles or duplicates of either one of those two kits. So if you win the kit, you get to choose if you want to have a buddy build with me. So I am in no way saying that I am any celebrity or master builder, but you have that option if you want to do a buddy build with me. The kit is yours to do as you wish. So if you want to collect it, trade it, sell it, or use it for your giveaway, that's fine. But I just leave that option. I just thought that this would be an interesting twist to kit giveaways is, you know, we can do a buddy build. But we don't have to do a buddy build. If you choose not to, that's fine too. Some people don't want to do a buddy build, and that's fine. So just a recap. For this sub appreciation giveaway, you get to choose either Kit A, 56 Thunderbird, or Kit B, which will be a mystery kit. If you win the mystery kit, you get to further choose. Do you want a 124 scale four-wheel vehicle, or do you want a single piston engined Warbird? And when you get the kit in the mail, hopefully it'll be a pleasant surprise, or you might be disappointed. It could go either way, and that's the whole point of a mystery kit. And like I said, these kits I do have duplicates of, so you can choose to do a buddy build with me or not, which is fine. So in order to enter, in the comments, please write I am in for kit, and then choose whatever it is. So please write in those exact words. I'm in for kit, and then specify A or B. Okay, so hopefully that was clear enough. Hopefully I didn't lose anyone or confuse anyone. Choose Kit A, the safe bet, 56 Thunderbird, which actually has been repopped as the Revell 124 scale, or choose Kit B, Mystery Kit, in which if you do win, you get to further choose, do you want a 124 scale four-wheel vehicle or a single piston engine, or I forgot to tell you what scale, 148 scale single piston engine Warbird. Okay, and then from there you can decide if you want to do a buddy build or no, you're not interested. The kit is yours to do as you wish. Okay, so that's it. So Kit A, 56 Thunderbird, Kit B, Mystery Kit, in which you get to further choose one upon winning 124 scale four-wheel vehicle or 148 scale single piston engine Warbird. And then from there you can choose if you would like to have a buddy build with me or not. And that's it. So hopefully I will see high participation. And again, it's only open to current subscribers. And please remember to comment, I'm in for a kit, and then specify either A, Thunderbird, or B, Mystery Kit. So hopefully this is a cute little twist to a kit giveaway that many of us do. And hopefully that will generate some excitement and some enthusiasm. So that's it for now. Thanks.